So in this video, we're going to focus on transcripts and GPA. What is a transcript? How do you get a copy of your transcript? And the importance of a transcript. Okay, a transcript is a legal document. It is an official document of how you've done throughout high school. Colleges will request a copy of your transcripts. Trade schools, as well as, and some employers also can request a copy of your transcript. So your transcript is really important. It shows how you've done in your classes throughout high school, what classes you have taken towards what you would like to go into in the future. So your high school transcript is really important. It is official legal document. So if you're a freshman, you're not going to have anything on your transcript. It's going to be blank. The only reason why you would have classes on your transcript as a freshman is if you took high school credit classes in middle school, classes like algebra or Spanish, or for example, if you did CB Tech summer school, you got high school credit for that class, and that will be on your transcript. You can request a document from your school counselor to remove only middle school classes from your high school transcript. If, for example, you didn't do very well in Spanish in middle school, you can request to have that credit taken off of your high school transcript, but that is only for classes taken in middle school, and a parent has to sign that form to request that class to be taken off of your high school transcript. Okay, so we're going to look at what this looks like, what it means, and things like that. Remember, it is an official document that can be requested by colleges, trade schools, employers. It is important. Whatever class you take in high school is going to go on your transcript. Okay, so for example, let's take a look at the student's transcript. This is the class that they've taken, the grade that they took it in, so 10th grade, 9th grade, and things like that. So if you're a sophomore, you're going to have your 9th grade classes on your transcript. So this is the class that this student took. This is the credit that they earned and the grade. So for example, let's look. This student took English 11A. They earned a B plus, and they got 0.5 credit. So for example, if you failed a course, it would say F, and it would say a 0 right here in the credit requirement. So even if you fail a class, that F stays on your transcript. All these classes cannot be removed. If you've taken them in high school, they stay on your transcript. Even if you retake the class, they see that you've retaken the class, but all the grades that you have earned throughout high school will stay on your transcript. Okay, so this is how you view it. This student, you can kind of tell they kind of struggled freshman year, some C's and D's. And then as they've gone on, they've gotten better grades. That means a lot, especially to colleges where they want to see what you're going into. They look at your grades, how you've done from freshman year to senior year. They want to see that you've tried hard, that you've applied yourself, that you've taken courses towards your future pathway, that you've taken courses for the university or trade school requirement. They want to look and see what you've taken in high school and how you've done. Okay, so like this student, for example, took some AP classes, some honor classes, and tried to challenge himself throughout high school. It depends on what your plan is and what you would like to take, but they do look at the classes that you've taken throughout high school. Next, we're going to talk about GPA. So all your classes are on your transcript, what you earned, and then your GPA, or your grade point average, is calculated after each semester. So you can see right here the grade level, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the GPA earned for that semester. Your cumulative GPA, which is going to be asked of you for things like college, can be viewed at the very bottom. So your cumulative grade point average is all the semesters added up and divided so that you get the average GPA that you have earned in high school. Okay, so that is right here on the bottom of your transcript. So when you complete a semester of high school, you'll start getting your GPA calculated on your transcript. And then if you go down here, you can actually see your requirements to graduate. Things like this is the graduation pathway, the high school and beyond plan. You have to have all these met on your transcript in order to graduate. So this is a transcript. Next, we're going to talk about GPA, where to find it, and things like that. So you can actually find your GPA in your Skyward, the grade point average right here in your Skyward. These are your classes. You should be checking your Skyward daily, if not every other day, or at least a couple times a week. So you can view your classes, your grades, if you have any missing assignments and things like that. So this is T1, T2, and S1. This is term 1, term 2, or quarter 1, quarter 2, and then your semester 1 grade. This is the grade that will go on your transcript, your official semester one grade, which will go on to this document. Remember, this is a legal document. It's an official document. What you earn in your high school classes will stay on your transcript. It's important. It's a little scope into what you've done in high school, how you've applied yourself, what classes you've decided to take, and your transcript can be requested. Remember, counselors cannot give out transcripts. It's district policy, so you can request a copy of your transcript on parchment. I'm on the high school website on counseling and then parchment, and this is where you would request a copy of that transcript if you need it for any reason, for an employer or college or anything like that that you would like a copy of. So remember that your transcript is important. Take your classes seriously because they do go on to this document.